Yeah, I'm back again. Okay, guys. Today we're gonna do like basic stuff on C++ because it's very important. Okay, you open your CodeBlocks or your visual code, whatever compiler that you're using, whichever compiler that you're using. Sorry, excuse me, and start coding. Yeah, and you create a new project, and it must be a console application, and you go and you do next for using CodeBlocks, and it's C++, not C, C++, next, and you write your project title. So for me, it's gonna be basics on C++. Yeah, you can see it's automatically like fill in the part. Okay, going next, and we finish. Okay, then I'll be having an environment such as this one. I'll come here to the source. Can you see my mouse? The source, and click on plus sign. Or I'm just extending it. This or do this. Okay, I'm just extending it, and then double click to the main CPP, and I'll be having something like this. I'll be having a header. That means it's IO string, input, output string, input, output, whatever that you'll be working with, and then I'll be always setting in the standard, uh, like standard coding, so that it can know my strings without calling it each and every time. I don't want to be this guy or each and every time when I'm calling a string or other component of the standard. Yeah, and then I'll be coding in my main CPP in this function. It's main function and hello world that we are going to do. Okay, let me just comment a little bit. So we'll be doing like declaration of a variable, declaration, what initialization, assignment, and assignment of the variable, and yeah, assignment variable and what, and how to call it, inside your okay. It's getting, you must have a, like I can say, like a structure or a skeleton that looks like this, but I'll remove this help. Yep, I'll remove it. Okay, how can we, this is the skeleton that we must have, because it's an int main, might return an integer. Yeah, all right, when it's returned something that is not zero, it means something happened, malfunctions happened. So therefore there will be errors when this zero is not returned. Okay, let's dive in. What can we do now? How to declare variable? Okay, normally I'll stick on string, which is uh, words. Choose and also which is character, which is a character, which is a character, like a or whichever symbol. Okay, and also I'll be doing with integer, int, which is integer, which is an integer, number with our comma, with our comma, like this. And also I'll be dealing with double, which is decimal, decimal small number. Yeah, we can do a little bit of float, which is this number, which is these numbers, but it's not big, or it's not big as double. So I always prefer double because double is that great est. Okay, how can I declare? Well, I can declare string. I just come here and say string, and I give the string the name. That's it. There, if I compile it, you must come here and you build it. If I build it to check if there is any error, so okay, if I build it to check any error, yeah, it's gonna give me an error or like this message process terminated with status 0. Okay, they give you a zero errors, something like that. But an error, let me try to compile to build it again. If there is an error, you're gonna see they're gonna tell me an error expected initialized 14. So yeah, you're gonna know as long as you're going further coding. Okay, there I'm declaring a string code name, or my program gonna know there is a name variable somewhere which is gonna be like being filled or being containing names, words, and so on. Yeah, and let me say char. Let me go to a char. So to declare character, I must say a char. I can say my char, and by there I'm done. There I'm just declaring, and I'm done by just doing that. And I can even build it. After building it, they say, okay, oh, warning, unused variable my char, so I haven't used it, but there is no error. You can see there is no error. You can see here it's written 0 errors. So I haven't used my char, but there is no error. Okay, good. Let me declare an integer. I'm just go int and I say my number, and I'm done. I can even build it again, and you can see it's still use for my number. They are there in the memory. They are waiting for being used. Yeah. Then I can go to double. Here I can see my double, and I'm done. See how it's very easy to declare, and I can say when I'm going to float, I can say float, and I can say my, and I'm done declaring. Simple as that. And even if I can build the warning that gonna come there, the warning is gonna be like, nigga, you haven't used these things, so please use them. Yeah, for to avoid like, yeah, consuming our space. Use it, man. Yeah, something like that. So then declaring. I want to show how to initialize. To Yeah, to initialize now. Yeah, I'm declaring. Okay, this is declaration. Let me just command so that you can know. Okay, this is the declaration. This is a declaration. Oh, this is declaration. Okay, we're going to initializing. This is initialization. This is initialization. I want to initialize my string. Like, okay, I'm going string. Okay, say my string and initializing. I'm giving straight a value. So who is nigga behind the screen? Again, Iler. Iler. Call me Iler. Okay, there, my string. I'm initializing my string with Iler. So I declare at the same time give it a value. There is the initializing. I can try to compile. Yeah, you can see that there's a lot of unused variable, but it's still zero error. Yeah. So here I can keep going, initializing for sharp. Yeah, you can see my first initial. Yeah, let me say my initial. Initial, initial, and it's the same. You declare and you give it at the same time. What? Give it at the same time. What? A value. All right, guys. Okay, there my initial is H. Yeah. So there I'm done. I can even build it and it's still there. No error. No error, guys. No error, guys. No error. But there's a lot of unused variable, but will be used again. Don't worry. Don't worry. And I can do what I can do for double, and I can say what my bank balance. I say amount plus one. I give it a value amount. Oh, amount. Let me say 20K. Let me say 20 with 15 cents. Something like that. All right. It can do the same. This is okay. Change. Let me say change. And it's going to be okay with 90 cents. Okay, good. So it's how we initialize. We declare and we give it a value at the same time. Okay, let me go into how to assign. Assignment. Okay, assignment. Remember, we have a name or a string already. So here to assign something, you must have that variable inside your storage, like inside your computer, your program. You have already declared it for you to assign it. It means assigning it, you are giving it a value. Like I'm already declaring a name, and I can do it. I can give the value to the name. Then I'm assigning. I can say name is equal to, and say oh, yeah. Then I'm done giving it a value. I can even run it, and you see that it's gonna be zero error. My syntax is correct. right? I'm giving it value, I'm assigning it. Why I do like call whatever somebody is not in my storage, and I give it the value like say KB, and I give it to so on, something like this. What do you think gonna happen? They're gonna be an error because they don't know this KB. Where is it says error KB was not declared in the scope. So it means whatever you're gonna need to assign, you must declare it. Very simple as that. So please don't do a mistake of trying to go straight without declaring. Yeah, I know some languages can support that, like JavaScript, like Python. You can just go and there is a block developed for that, for giving it automatically the space in the memory. But here in C++, you must be careful with each and every detail that you're busy given. Okay, let me assigning my value, my char. Well, where is my char? Please, my char. Okay, there is my char. I give it a value. What is it? Char is M because it's from pool. It's the initial. Okay, and also char and string. You can see is double code for a string. If you want to put a string, it's double code. You can see it, but for a char, it's a single code, guys. So be careful with that syntax. Okay, my number. Okay, I can say okay. Number. How old is she? Maybe she's 23. She, I know. Before she's my friend, she's 23. I have two more. Now I'm using my friend. Oh, yeah, that boy is confident. Okay, what can I say again? My double. What's my double? Okay, she might having 2K in her account. In 6, yeah, with some 90 cents. Okay, and my float, okay, my float is gonna be maybe she bought something and they gave him a change of 50, whether it's something like 50 cents or something like that. I'm done assigning. So we are going on the part of how to call each variable inside your code. So I want to call them inside my code, like calling it. I can say display, uh, calling variable variables or displaying it, displaying displaying them. Okay, you want to just do see out, and then you do what you said. What? Then we start with my string because it's my name. Let me start with my string. And C++ is case sensitive, guys. If I put a capital letter here on my string, these things are two different things. So it's not gonna recognize what I'm busy saying, but you must be careful. But if I put a small letter there, it's gonna know I have this guy in my storage, in my scope, is there. I can get him so easily. Okay, you just do C out and less than, and you call my initial and my initial, and you call C out and you call out amount, and you do C out. You call what change, and I do what okay. I can say C out. I want the space, and line means the end of the line of these things, and I need space now. Okay, what can I do again? I can just see out again. See out. I want to display everything. Name. Okay. See out. What again? My char. My char. Okay, my char is there. The scope. Or again, my number. See out. My number. Okay, still there. Then you are again. My double. I'm just calling them. My double. You can't use them if you don't call them. It's impossible. You understand, guys? If you want to use them, you must call them. That's a rule. You want to use me, call me. If you don't call me, I won't listen to you. I won't do whatever. I'll be there like a storm without knowing anything. Like I'm ignorant fully. So these variables will not be fully ignorant if you don't call them. But if you call them, they're going to be so powerful. Yeah, I'm calling my floats now. So I think I'm done calling them. And I can do my outline just for control. I like space. And also I can start with the space also. See out and line. Good. Let me build it. I'm building it. Check if there is any error. There is no error. Even those things of like unused variable, whatever, those warnings, they're no longer there. They're no longer there. So now it means I used them. Okay, that's good, and I can run it. Yes, by running it, it's gonna show me everything that is there that I've been calling. Yeah, but it's taking time. I don't know why it's taking time. That might be my processor is slow today. It's normal. I'm using a small computer, so it's normal. Yeah, yeah. Let's wait. That. And also remember, whenever you are busy calling them, make sure you call the same variable that you declared or you initialized. Understand? And don't expect miracles like I put the time and I'm thinking that I'm gonna get a million. No. Whatever you put in a variable is what, for example. A variable is like a container. I mean, it's a container that's gonna contain something. That's it. You put something inside. So whatever is in that you put in that container, it's what you're gonna receive back. No miracle, nothing, nothing. So I think I must end this program. I don't know why it's not running. I don't know why it's not running. Maybe something is happening in the background, but I don't know what is it. But, amazing. You can see it's run 11, 8, 20, 50 something. Oh, sorry for the pop-up message. And boom, okay. I want to just make it to display nicely with some space between them. Okay, I can say my string. I can say what my string, and here I can put a space. Okay, I can put a space like just the way we always put string inside. That's it. Yeah, you just put double quote is a string, and you make a space. Okay, let me build if this thing's gonna work. Yeah, I'm sure it's gonna work. Let me see for the first thing. So it's just a string. You just think, okay, you see now there is either and space. Sorry for the pop-up. Either and space. Okay, again. So after either there is space. Okay, I wanna put space all over there. Just wanna put this space all or everywhere. So remember, the string must be between these two things and the variable. Okay. Yeah, as I said, is for beginners. The reason why I'm going slowly like this, like this, so that you can see each and every step that I did for control. Yeah, I know when you're a beginner, you feel like, oh, what's this? What's this for real? This, let me build. This is build and run. This is build only. This is run, but I'm building and run for control. Yeah, so yeah, and make sure you practice whatever I'm doing. Make sure you practice. You can see now there is there H20 and space. You can see how there. Okay, let me now put words there. I'm putting words there for control. Okay, let me say string. Okay, let me say here my name. My name is either either and my initial is age. My and also have amount amount and this is my change. This is my change. This is my change. Yeah, and here her name is gonna be her name is okay. The summon the initial okay number initial and she's old she's and she is she's her her age. I think this number is her age, right? Yeah, she is 23. I can add another string here. 23 years old. Years old. She's 23 years old, and she has okay, and she has can I do she has this is her change. Her change. Did I change? Yeah. Let me try to build it and check if there is no error. Okay, guys, zero error, zero one. So it means I'm on the right track. I'm running it. Yeah, that's dope. My name is, you can see, guys, everything is nice, well displayed. My name is Hilaire and my initials is H. And also I have 20, 15 cents. And this is my change. Our name is important. Initial is M. So I'm correct here. Initial is and also 23 years old. Put a space here, and she has. This is her. Okay, and I must also put there the money rents because I'm located in South Africa now. So it's rents. Okay, my name is and my initial is, and I also have and her initial is. Okay, good. And she is 23 years old. Okay, and she has its friends and her change is in rands. Okay, let me build and run at the same time. Let's see what's the result. Okay, and if you build and run at the same time, if there is an error, it's not gonna run, guys. Yeah, it's gonna show you an error and you can fix it and it's gonna run. Now, my name is Ida and my initial is age, and also I have okay 20 ranks and 50 cents, and wow, this is my change. Wow, amazing. Her name is Paul, her initial is M. Okay, and she is 23 years old. Okay, and she has ranks. Wow, amazing. So yeah, this is dope, guys. This is amazing. This is our part, first beginning part. So let's meet on the second part, guys. Thank you for following this video. So please like, share, yeah, so that most of the people can also benefit for this knowledge. Thank you, guys. See you on the next video. Bye.